1.07 Thesaurus and Dictionary Skills. Need the perfect word? Meet the perfect team. Expand your mind. You will explore how to perfect your writing and speaking skills by choosing your words carefully. At the end of this lesson, you will complete a chart to explore synonyms and their meanings. Words make your world go round. The right word used at the right moment can work wonders. Two tools that can help you work such wonders are a thesaurus and a dictionary. Knowing when and how to use both of these resources can help you find the perfect word for any situation. Thesauruses and dictionaries can be accessed several ways. I have printed a dictionary and thesaurus by my desk at all times. I go online to look up words on dictionary and thesaurus websites. I right-click on a word in a document to access a dictionary and thesaurus. Before we share some secrets on using a thesaurus and dictionary, let's take a moment to review why word choice is so important. Imagine you ask someone to paint your room blue. With such a vague description, you could end up with something quite different from what you imagined. Vague, unclear, imprecise. There are nearly 60 shades of blue, from light to dark, from nearly gray to almost green, and there is a specific word for each. The same concept applies to your writing. You have a choice when it comes to expressing your thoughts, your feelings, and your creativity. You can select a simple word that gives a general idea of what you are thinking, or you can find an exact word to paint the perfect picture. Take a look at the image of Enrique on the right. He had never felt so upset. We all know what the word upset means, but is that the word that best fits this situation? The right word depends on the degree of Enrique's sadness and the reason behind it. The amount or intensity. Try it out. Complete the activity below. There are 5 synonyms you could choose to replace the word upset. Enrique had never felt so bitter. The other team cheated. It's so unfair. Dejected. Everyone got invited to the after-game party except me. Inconsolable. I made the big error. That's my fault we lost. Melancholy. Another losing season. Things never change. Blue. The season's over. I miss the early days of summer. You have seen how finding the right word can clarify your thoughts, feelings, and descriptions. Let's take a look at how a thesaurus and a dictionary can work together to help you accomplish this goal. Devin is writing a blog entry explaining how she felt when she was awarded a Best Dancer trophy at her recital. She knows she was happy, but realized there's a better word to describe her feelings. To find words with similar meaning, she decides to consult a thesaurus. Devin has 2 types of thesauruses. The first type lists words in alphabetical order, like a dictionary. She looks up happy under the letter H and finds a list of synonyms. The second type of thesaurus arranges words according to their meaning. Devin looks up the word happy in an index in the back of the book. The index tells her on which page she will find the word happy along with its synonyms. Once Devin locates an entry for happy, she sees synonyms she already knows, such as cheerful, glad, overjoyed, and thrilled. She also finds a few with which she is less familiar, such as convivial, jubilant, mirthful, and vivacious. Since the words Devin recognizes don't quite capture the emotion she's trying to describe, she grabs a dictionary to clarify the meaning of the words she doesn't know. Devin locates the word convivial alphabetically in her dictionary, but discovers that its definition has to do with being friendly and enjoying food. Since this does not convey the feeling she had when she was named Best Dancer, she looks up jubilant and finds the following entry. Jubilant, the spelling of the word divided into syllables. Jubilant. It's an adjective. The word's etymology, which shows the origin of the language, meaning expressing great joy, satisfaction, or triumph, rejoicing, jubilance, and jubilantly. Moments after being re-elected, the candidate thanked the jubilant crowd of supporters. Although there are other synonyms she could look up, Devon feels that jubilant captures the joy and triumph she felt after her hard work was rewarded. She uses the word jubilant in her blog, thrilled that she found the perfect word. You have reviewed how a thesaurus and dictionary can be used together to improve your writing. Choosing a more specific noun, a more accurate verb, or a more descriptive adjective can turn an ordinary sentence into something extraordinary. Whether online or in print, the resources you need are at your fingertips. The choice is yours. The perfect word awaits. Complete the activity to practice locating synonyms to improve each sentence. Thesaurus, dictionary. Keyword, argument, feud, debate, quarrel. Dictionary, debate. An argument featuring opposing viewpoints on chosen topics. Feud, an argument that lasts several generations. Quarrel, an argument marked by a temporary break in friendly relations. The blank between the couple led to a tearful breakup. Feud, debate, or quarrel. The blank between the two families has lasted over 100 years. Feud, debate, quarrel. The blank between the two candidates created a close election. Recap. I need a word to express an idea, emotion, or some creativity. Use a thesaurus to find a choice of words with a similar meaning. Use a dictionary to clarify the exact meaning of the words you find. Select the perfect word and get an A+. What is my assignment for this lesson? Here are the instructions. 1.07 Thesaurus and Dictionary Skills Assignment. You will use a thesaurus and a dictionary to find the meaning and synonyms of words. Select the worksheet. Each sentence below contains an underlined word that can be replaced to make the writing more descriptive and specific. Consider each sentence carefully, completing these 5 steps for each one. Use a print or online thesaurus to locate the underlined word. Use a print or online dictionary to look up several synonyms. Choose the synonym you feel best fits and enter it as your new word. Provide a short definition for the word you choose. List 2 synonyms that you considered but did not choose. You can save this or click print and save as a PDF. When I click save, I go to virtual and I can type in 1.07 Thesaurus Dictionary. And I'm going to save it to my desktop so I always know where it is.